Jonathan Bikilapil, and Melanie Bikilapil.
The White Heroes.
In a wide green field, a Carabao couple lived, Masa and Goren. Goren is pregnant. One day, Goren gave birth. They were surprised. Why is she white? Moso asked. I don't know, Goren, but she is our child. We love her no matter what. They named her Bukay. Bukay grew kind and hard-working. She helped in the field every day along with her mother and father. Bukay grew up different. She had no one to play with. She walked alone in the fields. Her heart felt heavy.
The other Carabaos whispered, "She's strange. She might bring bad luck." They avoided Bukay. When she came near, "Run! Bukay is here!"
Bukay felt deeply, sad by state life. She only wanted someone to play with.
One day, a bird landed on his back. Bukay jumped. "Sorry," the bird laughed. "Did I scare you?" "It's okay," Bukay said.
I tell you, why are you alone? No one likes me. My color is different, Bukay replied. Tagyu smiled. If you're different, that's why we're alike. Then, let's be friends, said Tagyu. Bukay's heart felt warm. From the day on, they became friends. They walked together, they bathed in the stream, they played in the grass. Tagyu often rode on Bukay's back. Bukay was not lonely anymore.
One day, dark clouds filled in the sky. The wind blew hard. The rain poured heavy. The water rose fast. The Carabaos panicked. Bukay got separated from the clouds.
She saw Tagyu in the water. My wings are wet! I can fly! Tagyu shouted. They stayed together until the storm slowed down.
After the storm, many Carabaos were trapped. Bukay said, "Tay! Nay! Let's help them!" She carried the small and weak Carabaos to save the ground. Tagyu flew above. "This way, Bukay!" Again and again. Bukay returned to save more.
The Carabao came closer. Thank you, Bukay! You're a hero! They finally accepted her. Bukay smiled. We are friends. With Tagyu on his back, they became the white heroes of the field.
The moral of the story: being